My name is Sarah, and I want to tell you about my daily routine. Every day, I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I open my eyes, stretch my arms, and get out of bed. I go to the bathroom to wash my face and brush my teeth. Then, I take a shower. After that, I dry my hair and get dressed. At 7 a.m., I go to the kitchen to eat breakfast. I usually eat toast with butter and drink a cup of tea or orange juice. Sometimes, I eat eggs or cereal. After breakfast, I wash the dishes and prepare my bag for the day. At 7:45, I leave the house and walk to the bus stop. I take the bus to work. My job starts at 8:30 a.m. I work in an office. I use a computer, write emails, and talk to my coworkers. I like my job because I learn new things and meet nice people. At 12:30 p.m., I have lunch. I usually eat lunch in the cafeteria at work. I sometimes eat rice with vegetables or a sandwich with salad. After lunch, I take a short walk outside or talk with my friends. I finish work at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Then, I take the bus back home. I arrive home around 5:30. When I get home, I change my clothes and rest for a little while. Sometimes I read a book or listen to music. I also help my mother prepare dinner. At 7 p.m., we eat dinner together as a family. We talk about our day and enjoy the meal. After dinner, I help clean the table and wash the dishes. In the evening, I usually study English or watch a TV show. I also like to talk with my friends on the phone or online. Sometimes I go for a short walk if the weather is nice. At 9:30, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth again, wash my face, and change into my pajamas. Then, I read a little or listen to calm music. I usually go to sleep at 10 p.m. This is my normal day. On weekends, my routine is different. I wake up later and spend more time with my family and friends. But during the week, I follow this routine to stay organized and healthy.